墨西哥渔船出海捕尾鱼，直击远处一艘双体船载浮载沉。
Hi, sir. You speak English? Yeah. How are you doing? You okay?
听得出来，沙达克激动哽咽，表达谢意。原来这名54岁的澳洲男子和爱犬贝拉在海上漂流了3个月之久。
The captain and this fishing company that saved my life. I mean, what do you say? I just so grateful.
沙达克4月带着贝拉驾驶双体船，从墨西哥拉巴斯出发，航程长达6000多公里，前往南太平洋的法属波利尼西亚。不料在暴风雨中，船只失去动力。
I really didn't think I'd make it. You know, I've been struggling to sort. You know, the health was pretty bad for a while. I was pretty hungry.
这段期间，他靠喝雨水和吃生鱼度过难关，还得躲在阴影处，避免被烈日晒伤。求生情节仿佛电影《浩劫重生》，电影主角靠着拟人排球威尔森作为活下去的动力，而沙达克则跟爱犬贝拉相依为命。
She's a beautiful animal. I'm just grateful she's alive. Just be with friends and family. You know, is my you know. Is the main thing.
后来，沙达克抵达墨西哥进行身体检查，确认无恙。这位现代版鲁滨逊宛如拍电影般的海上漂流，势必让他终身难忘。三立新闻杨俊宗报道。